Hey YouTube, Coin Noob here, doing a quick unboxing video of the Prehistoric Creature glow-in-the-dark coin from Royal Canadian Mint. It's got a nice flip box, like a lot of the stuff from the Canadian Mint. Get little fold out information card. I'm not going to open that up. And here's the coin itself. Pretty cool. Decent looking. It's got that almost proof-like finish on the back. I think it's a specimen finish, but yeah, there it is. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name. You can do that. Tylosaurus pembenensis. Alright, there it is. I only got one. I got 3 of the bird creature thingy, the last one. I just got one of these because I didn't feel like spending upwards of $100 on these coins, but I got this because they always sell out and the resale value on these is pretty good. So I think you can get, like, I don't know, these right now are going for 50, 60 bucks on eBay a couple of years from now. I'm hoping there'll be more. If not, it's a pretty cool addition to the collection just to have. Alright, thanks for watching.